Hi, everyone. It's really good to see you again. I am so excited to talk more about counting. Now, remember yesterday we talked about counting backwards, which means we start with the largest, biggest number and we go down. We can also count forward, starting with small numbers and going larger. And we counted forward and backward from 1 to 10. We even did 0, didn't we? 0 to 10 and 10 to 0. And today it's going to be so much easier because we are going to count to 8, 1 to 8, and then backwards from 8 to 1. And I know that kids need to move their bodies. We need to be active, right? People need to move and have fun and get exercise. So one way that I like to practice counting is through hopscotch. And I do my hopscotch a little bit differently sometimes. And today I've made for us a xylophone hopscotch. And I'm going to show you how I use it to count. I'm going to get on up. We've got a number line all along here. And we've got our hopscotch here. And I'm going to count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, I'm going to go backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can do it tiptoeing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can stomp. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, I'm going to be a robot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to sing right down the scale, back down. And I'm going to do it slowly. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So boys and girls, I invite you to make your own hopscotch and have some fun and get out there and move your bodies as you count.